Your support tools are probably polling for updates right now, missing events, delaying responses, leaving your integrations flying blind. Zendesk Webhooks fix this instantly, pushing live data to any system the moment something happens. In the next 60 seconds, you'll know exactly how to set them up. A webhook is a real-time push notification. The moment a ticket is created or a message arrives, Zendesk fires an HTTP request to your endpoint with all the relevant data. Teams use this for Slack alerts on urgent tickets, syncing CRM records, sending SMS via Twilio, and feeding AI tools with live customer context. No polling, no delays, just instant delivery. Before you create anything, understand this critical choice. Event-subscribed webhooks fire on system events and always use post with a Zendesk-defined payload, while trigger webhooks connect to business rules and let you control the HTTP method and payload format. The connection type is permanent, you cannot change it after creation. Choose wrong and you'll need to delete and start over. Head to Admin Center, click Apps and Integrations in the sidebar, then select Webhooks from the submenu. You'll need admin access or a custom role with webhook permissions to see this section. Trial accounts are capped at 10 webhooks and 60 invocations per minute. Paid plans remove those limits. Click Create Webhook, and you'll immediately be asked to choose your connection method. Select Zendesk Events for messaging, user, org, or help center activity, or trigger an automation for ticket-based rules where you want a custom payload. This is the point of no return, so take a moment and choose carefully. Name your webhook clearly, something like Slack Urgent Ticket Alerts or CRM Customer Sync, so your team always knows its purpose at a glance. Set your HTTPS endpoint URL, choose the request method and format, and add up to 5 custom headers if needed. Good naming here will save hours of confusion when you're debugging at 2 a.m. Secure your webhook by matching the auth method to what your endpoint expects. Use API key for third-party services, basic auth for internal tools, or Zendesk API calls using the email/token format, and bearer token for OAuth-enabled services. Whatever you choose, always use HTTPS. Credentials sent over plain HTTP are a security incident waiting to happen. For trigger-based webhooks, go to Business Rules, edit your trigger, and add a Notify webhook action. Define your JSON payload using Zendesk placeholders like ticket.id and ticket.status. Zendesk substitutes real values at send time. Keep your payload under 256 kilobytes and you're ready to connect. Always test before going live. Open your webhook, click Test Webhook, select a sample event, and look for an HTTP 200 in the response. If you're developing locally, ngRock or HookDeck can expose your machine to receive real Zendesk payloads without deploying a single line to production. Zendesk's messaging platform has its own webhook system through the Conversations API, separate from standard webhooks and purpose-built for real-time chat. Create it inside a custom integration, subscribe to events like conversation.message, and the payload gives you the conversation ID, message body, and actor details. That's everything an AI tool needs to generate a contextual reply. Security is non-negotiable here. Verify every incoming request by computing an HMAC SHA-256 hash of the timestamp plus body using your signing secret. If it doesn't match the Zendesk signature header, reject it. Design handlers to be idempotent since Zendesk retries on failure, and know that the circuit breaker kicks in automatically if 70% of requests fail within 5 minutes. If building and maintaining all this webhook infrastructure sounds like a lot for what should be basic support automation, there's a simpler path. Eesel AI connects directly to Zendesk and handles all the processing automatically. No infrastructure to build, no handlers to maintain. Mature deployments resolve 81% of tickets autonomously, with full payback in under 2 months. Set up your webhooks using this guide, then let eesel AI turn those real-time events into intelligent, automated responses. Start your free 7-day trial at eesel.ai. No credit card required, and you can be live in minutes.